Hello everyone. Today I have this ABUS 8355 padlock. It is also called the Rock somehow. Don't know. It's really massive. Here's the key. It's a 6-pin lock. Key retaining. And just listen to the shackle pop. Really nice. So yeah, key retaining. And let's got this. Oh, sorry, it's a bit loud. Let's see. Maybe zoom you in a bit. So a lot of core movement. And I think we got it. Let's listen again. Kaboom. Really nice. Yeah, I used this tensioner from Multipick and this medium hook PN07. There's a flip set screw in the shackle. And the core comes out. Let's get a pinning tray. C-clip remover. Ah, still picked. Or is it? Yeah. Ah, yeah, that was just the key retaining thingy. And alright, this has this detent here. Yeah, you have to be careful that you don't get it stuck in the drivers or anything else. Just push it in a bit. I think that should be fine for orientation. Let's get a follower. Yep. So catch the rotation limiter of the thumb. I think it will spring out otherwise. Yeah, the key pins. Now let me just drop them quickly. Now all just standard, no torpedo pins or so. Got my tweezers. Yep, there they are. Really nice pick with this large shackle pop. So let's get this. The front here. Yeah, one of these somewhat serrated ABUS drivers, almost a standard, and then this little serrations. And I think the others are just all the same spools like this one. spool again. And yet another spool. And another spool. And one more spool. Yeah, springs are all the same. I won't get them all out, just like this. No, here they go anyway. Then I can just put them more or less. Yeah, we'll fill that out in a moment. Just show you the pins. Really nice spools, and yeah, just a slightly serrated in one. And with the short key pin, you really have to press it over the serration. And with the spools, it's really like an up and down. Let me just check one thing. I just want to see if this pin 3 is a zero lift or not. I don't think so, no. You have to lift it a little bit. Focus. You have to lift it a little bit in order to get to shear. But I guess the spool is not active in this one. Just touch it a little bit with the pick and you're fine. Yep, that's all for now. Thanks for watching. Bye.